Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Den Investments and Reviews. My name is Casey. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. In today's video, I want to cover XRP. There's a lot of big news out there in cryptos right now. Some of it, in my opinion, being FUD, especially when it comes to, the bad news, like, the government trying to crack down on your privacy wallets, outside of exchanges, such as Trezor, stuff like that. You also got the Chinese government, which has just confiscated. Um, I don't know the exact number. I think it was like $4 billion or 1% of the overall Bitcoin supply. Um, so I mean, does that mean cryptos are going down? Ultimately long term, I don't think so. And just to give you guys an indication here of where we are, Bitcoin right now is at $16,960, and we need to drop below $16,000 in just from what I'm hearing from expert analysis, technical analysis experts. If we're falling below 16,000, then we've got some troubles ahead of us when it comes to the bear market and bears taking over. But we're not there yet. Right now, it looks like we're finding a bottom on possibly Bitcoin here. I know on XRP for sure. And the reason why I'm showing XRP is because XRP is somewhat correlated to Bitcoin. But right now on XRP, it looks like we're finding a bottom right under the new resistance level, which was our last support level at 56 cents. Okay, so we're gonna have to break 56 cents and establish that as a new support level before we head higher. So, in my opinion, just from what I'm seeing, um, here's your zone right now between 56 cents and about 46 cents. I would expect us to contract a little bit more. Maybe over the next day or two, we'll get some more contraction in this zone range here, and then we'll head higher. Okay. Now, if you're somebody who bought back in and got the head fake here uh, off this bounce upwards, okay, and you bought in around like 71, 70 cents, or maybe a little bit higher. If you're somebody new that came in and bought up there, don't panic, okay? This is a bull run that we're in right now, and there's high volatility. Now, you know, it could have went a lot higher, which is why a lot of people were expecting the price to break resistance here at about 73 cents, and then we would shoot up to like 89, 90 cents. And the head fake really came from this it was kind of a bull flag, just to point it out here for you. This is kind of where people got faked out, okay? Because people were expecting, you see this bull flag right here, okay? And then you could take that down if you want. I mean, I'm on a 3-hour chart or 2-hour chart, so if you zoom out, you can see it a little bit better. But we were bouncing between this bull flag pennant here. People, look at that. I mean, we touched the very, very top line of that and kind of broke through it a little bit. So people may have gotten faked out a little, thinking that the price was going to go higher. They bought in right in here, and then we dropped. Okay, so people might be panicking right now, going, oh crap, I'm losing a ton of money, you know. But you got to think more long term. Okay, we are just in the beginning phases of this bull run. Okay, and we shot up, we contracted, and then we dropped below that. Okay, and that may have been driven by some of this news that's out there. Okay, this fundamental analysis. But if you reflect back to the 2017 bull run, you had a lot of the same FUD and the same news coming out. China, for instance, banned cryptos or banned Bitcoin right around the time that it starts shooting up, and you would get these big drops. And one of the drops we had in Bitcoin was like a 25% drop. okay, back in 2017. What happened though? I mean, it was a healthy contraction, and then we shot higher. Okay, anytime you guys get a big run like this on any type of an asset, and you go parabolic like that, you gotta come back down, okay, and take a breather, and then you'll head higher. So this, to me, it's extremely bullish. If anything, here in the next week, I'm gonna be backing up the truck, and I'm gonna load up on some more XRP because I just see us going higher from here on out. Okay, so again, if you guys bought in at the very top, don't panic, do not worry. If anything, look at this as another buying opportunity, because you're not going to get many more of these. You might get maybe 2 or 3 throughout this whole bull run like this, where you're able to take advantage of a 25 or 30% drop. But again, it's like I've been saying, you don't want to get caught in the FOMO. Okay, and up here, when we were breaking out of this bull flag here, when it appeared we were breaking out, you had FOMO going, so you had a lot of people buying into FOMO. Okay, and if you're one of those people that bought into that, don't be too hard on yourself here, because you're dealing with an extremely volatile market, and it's impossible to be able to time this stuff. Just know that, as I've said before, look at the long-term trend, and right now the long-term trend is up. So just hodl, okay? And if you got some extra cash, right now would be a good time to start watching it. I wouldn't say jump in just yet, but watch it, because we're in this zone range here, and we could drop back down to about 45 cents, and then from there you really want to watch and see if XRP drops below that, because if we drop below that, the next level of support is going to be back here where the parabolic move started, which would be around like 30 cents. And then that would be your new zone range, where you could look at some entries on XRP. But I just wanted to cover that for you guys. Again, the crypto market right now, long term, we're in a bull run. And I'm watching Bitcoin too. So you guys, if you're watching Bitcoin, just watch this price here of $15,950, $16,000 mark. Because if we drop below that, then yeah, you're going to see a lot more contraction and retracements in the entire crypto market. Okay, but again, you got to change your mindset. You can't sit here and think, oh my God, it's the end of the world, because we've seen this before. If anything, you get excited, start backing up the truck and loading up some more, because ultimately I would think we're probably going to go higher. Even if we drop below here, it may take a little bit longer, and it might delay our time frame for some of these projected targets on different cryptos. But by the beginning of 2021 and going into the new year, I still think we're going higher. That's my take on on Bitcoin and XRP right now, guys. If you're watching the video for the first time, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, I want to let you know, if you want to learn some of this technical analysis that I'm talking about here, you can go to my free website. It's academyofcrypto.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. But you can go to that website and go check out the free course material that I have on getting into blockchain and the crypto space right now. Because if you're somebody who hasn't gotten in on this yet, you may have another chance here to gather some money and make an investment in one of these cryptos and come out on top as we transition into the new year and this new financial system globally. Okay, so it's completely free, it doesn't cost anything, but go to academyofcrypto.com, check it out. And with that said, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later.